YouTube, bro. So it's like currently 2 a.m. in the morning right now. We about to get ready to drive down to NC, visit my boy Devin, aka Ron Different. But I'm having a hard time even exiting my driveway, cause you know I live in Buff. We got hella snow and shit. You know, I got the Daytona 392. I wouldn't believe bro, just take a look, bro. I can't explain it. Bro, this bitch is stuck, and there's barely any snow on the floor, bro. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I was this close from not. I was about to cancel everything, bro. Dead ass, bro. Swear to God, I was doing that shit, nigga. I was literally stuck at that spot for like an hour. Got stuck in another spot for like another hour. I just stopped recording because I didn't even want to record that shit, bro. I was heated. But yeah, man, I'm about to go school my boy Neff, my boy Kyrie, then my boy Otis. Then we gonna hit the road and shit, or probably gotta stop for gas too. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit really just had me tight, bro. Niggas don't even know. I was in the car like, fuck! All type of shit, bro. Cause once we hit the road, I know the roads is goddamn at least got some salt on there or something, bro. Fuck Buffalo. Next year, bro, I need me a burner, bro. All-wheel drive, whatever, bro. Shit. About to go scoop my boy Otis. Then we about to hit the road. No, we about to get gas. Then we about to hit the road. Fucking streets looking crazy. I'm about to run this red light. Fucking. Yeah, man, I forgot to record the gas station, but filled this bitch up. Type shit. About to hit the road with the brothers.
Got homies who some workers, I got homies who the boss. I been feeling like I'm Cleo, think it's time to set it off. I done took a couple L's, but I ain't never tired of winning. I be teaching niggas lessons, you just gotta pay attention. You don't need nice clothes to fuck on all the pretty women. I was bummy fucking bitches, you just really gotta listen, ayy.
Just listen to the shit that I be saying. I used to fuck sometimes I don't even know what I be saying. Shit talking me and my brother finna drop it till we make.
Hey, look at the V, bro. Oh my God. When we land, bro, we definitely gotta get a wash on Phone Grave. No windshield wiper fluid. My shit just looking crusty. Couldn't even see shit. Yeah, man. Stop. Made another stop and shit. It be dirty as hell. My boy Neff about to drive and shit, bro. Don't crash, bro. I'm about to go to sleep, bro. I'm tired as hell. Yeah, I've been driving for like 4 hours straight. I'm about to be slumped as hell. Hopefully next time I wake up, we'll be in goddamn Charlotte. I'm fucking tired.
I peeped too. Boy. This nigga ain't even peep. I'm like, yo, look.
Look at this shit, bro. Nigga blocked the whole road.
Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Bro, he gonna have to back that shit up, bro.
What did he say?
Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. It's like 20 minutes later. Hella traffic. All the way down there, bro. And on top of that, it's fucking snowing.
Damn. My type of they dads, ain't it?
We had another stop. Final stop. We only got like 1 hour, 2 hours, some shit. What is it?
Shit, about 2 hours.
I don't know how many stops we did. I'm gonna just put it right here. As you can see, man, niggas finally arrived to the destination. It's dark as hell out now. We were just in West Virginia for like 5 hours. That nigga punched me in red. That nigga bitch. He's a bitch. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I need a car wash. An oil change, bro. Oh my God, I need mad shit, bro. My V is fucked, actually. Some items shit. I do not recommend making a trip to drive 10 hours in the snow. Hey, man, I advise y'all, if y'all in Charlotte, try a cookout. Oh, they shooting.
Onion?
Yes,
No
sir.
tomato. I said mayo. I can't hear you, sir. If you please speak up.
Oh, good eats, man. Nephew.
Nothing goes playing, sometimes you gotta deal with it. But I ain't tripping, body still got.
It's the next day. Niggas just woke up. We all getting ready to go to the car meet last night. Niggas caught the itis. The cookout. Gotta try that cookout, bro. That cookout was him, I ain't gonna lie. Gotta get that barbecue bacon. That should put you up. But yeah, I need an SD card for my camera. Gotta go get one. It's like 7 a.m. Gotta go get an SD card for the camera so I can start recording off my phone and shit. So I can actually be a real vlogger. But yeah, we about to get ready. Niggas just got dressed and shit. You know, we got the moving different, you know how we go. Me and my boy Old Body, niggas got that shit on type shit. Support moving different type shit.
Tight shit.
Got my son Earl. We need to wash. Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro, we about to get active, bro. We about to get active. That nasty ass 5-0.
Just know what happened in the shower, stay in the shower, man.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
I needed oil, but we couldn't because it was snowing. Yes, sir.
You know how we come, nigga.
Yes, sir.
Steph Curry in the wrist, nigga. Light-skinned ass out the vehicle.
Oh, shut your bitch ass up, bro. Got gang shit.
About to go in the pit, right? No. Alright, get right, break, stop, break. Alright, and turn. You gotta turn with it. Tap it, nah. yeah, tap.
He had that. Yo, once he finally caught him, he started counter staring finally. He finally started counter staring that bitch and it was over. We had that bitch. And then you was supposed to keep going. You might use too much after it.
I knew I could get it, bro.
Huh?
Scratched the fuck out of his shit.
He scratched it?
These ain't nothing to get off, bro. That's from the
No, yeah, that. Nobody
Throw some hot water in there.
Look, this shit down there coming off.
That shit big girl. I gotta get a funny the video funny. They was on your ass, bro.
I know the crowd was.
Hell no, take that nigga
Damn.
Can't drive.
But nah, man. We're not trying to got light on the ass, bro.
Nah, once you start, hold it, I thought you was about to get too wild. I'm like, nigga, turn. You gonna hit me in the middle. I said, turn.
Fight that
Motherfucker, you got to. It's gonna lock up and I told, yo, who did I say to? I said, it's gonna lock up and you're gonna go straight. It's gonna make you go straight.
As soon as I put that shit in drive, bro, it was over after that. That manual, I saw how manual that shit went
Manual,
straight to.
yeah, it kept going straight to 2. After all that power come in, they'll fuck you up, they'll swing you.